What's up, guys? So yeah, I was getting eaten alive out there flying my drone. I was like trying to control it, and all these mosquitoes are like, I was like oh my god. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the drone footage once again. I don't know if I'm gonna show it after this or before this, whatever's, but I am scratching all over now, guys, because mosquitoes were going at it. They love me. Mosquitoes love me, guys. All right, so you know, we gotta clean once again, and then after this we're gonna eat some dinner. All right, check you guys out later.
I don't know how to know it.
Oh yeah? What's up, guys? So yeah, we're over here at what's it called? Piazza? Piazza? Yeah. So we're gonna try some good old Italian pizza that they actually cook in what do you cook them in, Jess? The fire? Yeah. All right. So we got the calamari right here, guys. Kind of dark. There you go. They taste delicious though, yeah, Jess? You like it, Jess? Delicious. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Yummy. Guys, check this out right here. I don't know how bad the lighting is, but look at that. Woo, this is created in the fire, right, Jess? Fire.
Need any red pepper, Parmesan cheese?
Parmesan cheese? Yeah. Wow, look at that, guys. Oh, it's made in the fire, Jess. What do you call that, Jess? Huh?
All of it?
Yeah, please. Thank you.
Right, enjoy it.
Woo. Yeah, look at that, Jess. I think it's the first time I've ever had somebody grate cheese onto my pizza, Jess. Look at that. Happy Valentine's, baby. I love you.
I love you too. Let's eat.
I know, let's eat. Is it good?
Really good.
All right, man. I can't wait to dig in. All right, guys, I gotta dig in. What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here on the beautiful but gloomy but still beautiful island of Kauai. Hope you all are having a great Valentine's Day. I just finished work. Jess just finished her account up in Wailua. She actually worked also, and we're actually not done with business. We're gonna clean this office once again over here, and then I don't know. We might go out for Valentine's, or we're actually planning on doing a pretty good dinner tomorrow, because we both know that it is probably packed at most of the restaurants here on this side of the island. So I don't know. We might just meet up with Pua and cousin Brian, aka Photo Gopher, over at the Bull Shed for a little drink afterwards, if we're not tired. But you know, who knows? We'll see how it goes. But other than that, yeah, we're probably gonna do it. Tomorrow. So we're thinking of going down to the Poipu area, to our usual beach house restaurant. So I think I have to give them a call tonight to see what's going on. But yeah, I'm just waiting on Jess over here. I think she's on her way. She called me earlier. But you know what? Jess actually... Oh, this guy. People coming out of this office looking at me weird. Yes, I'm talking to myself. But where was I again? Oh yeah, Jess and I have the day off this Saturday again, so hopefully we can do something exciting if the weather is cooperative. If the weather's nice, we might head over to a nice snorkeling beach and do a little snorkel. If not, I might bring her over to a waterfall. Yeah, I'll bring you guys along too. We'll see how it goes. Let's see here. Saturday, yeah. It is open, guys. It's open. Jess is actually off tomorrow, but she has to do some business, unfortunately. Not unfortunately, but we're always busy here. But yeah, guys, let's see. We're thinking of going to the beach over here just to hang out, but it looks kind of gloomy. Check it out, guys. Gloomy, rainy. You know, yeah. All right. What kind of dinner is that, Ethan?
It's not my dinner.
Look at that, candy and Vienna sausage.
Yeah.
And where's your shirt, Romeo? Huh?
I let Grandma have.
No, your shirt right now. Where is it?
My shirt. I let my shirt when Grandma have.
Mm-hmm.
I got Mommy's shirt here.
Hi, Liza.
Hi, Dad.
What's going on, baby?
Waiting. Waiting.
Okay, you gotta slow down with that. Enough of that.
No, I tried to ask my sister I broke to me, but she said, oh, Lord, I'm going to come live tomorrow.
Okay, enough of that, because every time I see you guys, you're on it. Turn it off. Before I put it in the safe. I told you guys to read a book. That's what I told you guys this morning. Come home, you guys are still on that. What's going on?
Pull me closer.